Hi guys. So fueling your body correctly before and after your workouts is key to seeing results. Whether you're trying to lose fat, gain strength, or simply have more energy during your workouts. Today we're talking about simple, effective meal ideas that support your goals. We'll also be giving you an exclusive discount code to try some of the products mentioned in this video, so stay tuned for that. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with pre-workout meals. Because if you show up to your workout hungry, chances are it's going to be a rough one. Your focus will be off, and you won't be able to train at your best. So here's what I recommend. If you're working out first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, which by the way is the best time to work out, because your body will tap into fat much quicker than if you were to eat. Something beforehand, drink 16 ounces of water with a scoop of casein protein powder. The reason I recommend casein over whey is because casein is a slow digesting protein that will prevent muscle breakdown while you train. This will help you maintain muscle mass while losing fat. Whey is a fast digesting protein that can cause stomach cramping during your workout, but it is great post-workout. More on that later. Now, if you're not working out first thing in the morning, then have a small snack about an hour and a half beforehand so you don't feel hungry. A great option here is a rice cake with almond butter. This will give you enough carbs to fuel your workout, and the protein and healthy fats from the almond butter will keep you full and prevent cravings. Other options include Greek yogurt with berries, cottage cheese with pineapple, or my favorite, egg whites with spinach. Next, let's talk about post-workout nutrition. Post-workout is when your body needs the most fuel, because it's at this time that we repair muscle tissue, replenish glycogen stores, and rehydrate. Not doing these things properly, post-workout will lead to poor recovery, which will ultimately lead to reduced performance and injuries. So make sure you refuel with a meal that has the three main macronutrients: carbs, protein, and healthy fats. This helps kickstart the recovery process and provides your body with the necessary nutrients to rebuild muscle tissue and replenish glycogen stores. Here are some examples of great post-workout meals. Chicken breast with brown rice and broccoli. This is a classic post-workout meal for a reason. Simple, effective, and easy to digest. The chicken provides lean protein, the brown rice provides complex carbohydrates, and broccoli provides essential vitamins and minerals. You can easily swap the chicken breast for another protein source, such as fish or tofu if you prefer. And if you really want to amp up the recovery process, add in some sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants and nutrients, and they have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, which means they will cause a slower but more sustained release of insulin, which is exactly what you want after a workout. Insulin helps shuttle nutrients into your cells, and it also stimulates muscle growth. Another great post-workout meal is salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and have been shown to improve joint health and reduce inflammation. These fatty acids also help with the absorption of nutrients, including other vitamins and minerals found in the roasted vegetables. Again, you can swap the protein source for another option that you prefer. Now let us talk about a few snacks that you can have post-workout if you're not really hungry. You want to make sure you still get some protein in your system to begin the recovery process. So here are a few ideas. A protein shake made with whey protein is a quick and easy way to get some extra protein after your workout. Unlike casein, whey is a fast-digesting protein that can help increase muscle protein synthesis and promote muscle growth. You can mix it with water or milk and add some fruit for flavor and additional carbs. Trail mix is another great option. You can make your own trail mix with nuts and seeds, or you can buy pre-made mixes that contain dried fruit as well. Trail mix is a convenient and nutritious snack that can help replenish glycogen stores and provide a boost of energy. It's also a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Greek yogurt is another great option because it's high in protein and low in fat. This makes it an ideal snack for those looking to build muscle or lose fat. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium and vitamin D, which are important for bone health. You can enjoy it plain or add some fruit or honey for flavor. Now let's talk about pre-workout supplements. Should you take them? What do they even do? First off, no supplement is going to replace proper nutrition. Make sure you're eating clean and taking in enough calories before your workout. But supplements can help enhance your workout experience and provide a boost in performance. Here are a few of my favorites. Creatine monohydrate is a popular supplement that can help improve exercise performance by increasing the amount of phosphocreatine in your muscles. This can lead to increased power output and strength, which is why it's often used by athletes who compete in short-duration, high-intensity events such as sprinting. Research shows that creatine can also improve aerobic capacity, which is why it's also used by endurance athletes. In addition to improving performance, creatine can also help increase muscle mass and strength. This is because creatine helps retain water in your muscle cells, which gives them a fuller appearance. Creatine also stimulates muscle protein synthesis, leading to increased muscle growth. Finally, creatine can help improve cognitive function and reduce fatigue. This is because creatine increases the availability of energy in your brain cells, which improves focus and reduces fatigue. Typically take 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily. Beta-alanine is another popular supplement that can help improve exercise performance by increasing the amount of carnosine in your muscles. Carnosine is a natural substance that helps regulate muscle acidity levels, which can build up during intense exercise. By reducing muscle acidity, beta-alanine can help delay fatigue and improve performance during high-intensity exercise. Beta-alanine also increases vasodilation, which is the widening of your blood vessels. This can improve blood flow to your muscles, delivering oxygen and nutrients that can help improve performance. Finally, beta-alanine has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce fatigue. This is because it increases the amount of neurotransmitters in your brain, which are chemicals that help regulate muscle contractions. Like creatine, I also take 2 to 5 grams of beta-alanine daily. Pre-workout supplements typically contain a combination of stimulants like caffeine, which can help improve focus and reduce fatigue, as well as nitric oxide boosters that can improve blood flow to your muscles. Some pre-workouts also contain beta-alanine and creatine, which we just talked about. Personally, I do want to take a pre-workout supplement because I usually have enough energy throughout the day, thanks to my 2 to 5 grams of beta-alanine that I take daily. However, if you find yourself needing an extra boost sometimes, I recommend one that contains all natural ingredients and no proprietary blends. You'll know exactly how much of each ingredient you're getting. So there you have it, a breakdown of what to eat before and after your workouts. Remember, the best meal is one that works for you and fits your lifestyle. There are plenty of other great options out there that we didn't cover in this video, so experiment with different foods and find what works best for you. Just make sure that you're taking in enough protein, carbs, and healthy fats before and after your workouts to fuel your body and support optimal performance and recovery. Like I mentioned earlier, we want to give you guys an exclusive discount code to try some of the products mentioned in this video. For a limited time, you can use the code provided below to get 20% off of your order. So head on over to our website and use the code provided below. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.